Alright, so we have a small job we need to do. A buddy of mine had a Reese hitch receiver, the hitch part, and he can't get the ball off, so we're going to give it a try and see if we can get it off for him. Looks like he buggered it up pretty good. An 1.5" socket in 3/4 drive and a 3/4 to 1/2 inch drive. Hopefully the impact wrench will be enough. Well, let's see if this will work. Bad as he's got the ball messed up on this, it's not worth saving. Otherwise I wouldn't do this because it destroys the integrity of it. I wouldn't trust it afterwards. Got her off. All right. Well, there you go. That's how you get one of them off. It's how I've done it in the past. Like I said, I don't know if you were able to hear me when I had the torch and stuff running. He mangled the ball up pretty good. It's not really savable. He did want this back. I think he wants to put a different ball on for another application. Otherwise, I would not ever do that because you destroy the integrity of the steel on the nut, and it's not going to have the strength, the durability that it would from new. And then to test it, hauling something heavy, you're putting a lot of people's lives at risk when you're out on the road. I wouldn't do it. This didn't get hot enough. Now, that didn't even get hot enough to change the temper in it, but the nut did. Like I said, don't do it if you're going to reuse it. Otherwise, cut it off, go get a new one. So, if you like these kind of videos, please hit the like and subscribe button and the notification button. That'll let you know every time I upload a new one. Thank you and have a good day.